We? Alright. What is up? What is up? Welcome. Hello, children and adults. It's another episode of the Nem Gaming's Genshin Impact stream. You're with your boy Nemu. God damn, dude, why is my internet so shit these days? You know what? We're supposed to have a stream yesterday with Hyber, and I apologize to Hyber. She's been expecting to co-host the like co-host when I'm usually doing all the talking. But yeah, sarcastic remarks aside. Fuck Converge, dude. I mean, seriously, dude, come on. Really. It's Christmas time. Why won't you give me good ISP? Quick shout out to my early birds who are here and I did not mention them because I'm ranting early. What is up? Thank you very much for tuning in. Aki, Mandy, May, Eman, Ariane, and Audrey. What's up, yo? Belated Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. And let's see the chat. Wait, good morning, Mandy May. Thank you very much for tuning in. And Matthew Manuel. Thank you very much, Papi Matthew. I'll call you Macho Papi. And Papi Eman says hello. Hey, Papi Eman, you're early. Hello. And Audrey says hello, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Happy Monday. Yeah, I'm gonna be out of the office for the 30th and the 31st because it's an extended holiday. So we might do some shenanigans by then. Yeah, I'm actually playing. There's a new game I'm playing. It's Mirror 4. I downloaded it on my phone. Marami ba kayong pamasko? Eh di sana all. Nah, I didn't have any gifts. I told you guys I'm not a big fan of Christmas because bad childhood and shit. But Hyper made me appreciate the value of the holidays. So I only celebrate because I'm with her. If it were me, if I was alone, nah, no Christmas for Nemu. So yeah, that sucks. But anyway, I was saying something. Yeah, I'm actually playing this Mirror 4. If you want, it's an automatic played game. I can pin it on the background. who says, "Oy, you got Ito. Congrats, Papi Eman, ah." Now, I'm gonna show you something cool. I've been practicing my combo since yesterday. Gosh, Papi, good job on the Ito.
Pay for money. Vengeance will be mine. I condemn you.
Yeah, see how fast I cleared this, dude? Why is it 33 seconds? It's supposed to be 21 seconds, damn it. What? What happened, bro? And where are the notifications? Goddamn Streamlabs, what the fuck, dude? Wait, wait. Before I claim my reward, what is up with my with my notifications? Fucking Streamlabs, dude. How goes the Ito usage, Papi? Do you like claymores now? Do you like claymores now? Yeah, my internet's kind of shit though, so apologies for the delayed responses. See, even my Genshin's delayed. Puta. Oh, this is nice. Crit rate and HP. That's for Sucrose, I think. But yeah, you see how delayed it is, dude. What the hell is happening, Converge? You know, you guys are very shit when it comes to the actual service. But Converge is shit when it comes to the actual internet service, but they do very well on the internet speed test. When you connect to fast.com or internetspeedtest.com, they're like, "Ooh, I'm so great."
Go.
But when you play the actual game,
Think you can get away? Freeze to the core.
it's super laggy. I mean, what is up with that? See, it's supposed to have been only 42 seconds. I'm missing 20 seconds of delay because of fucking Converge. And where are my fucking notifications, dude? I'm sorry if I said like fuck for like 20 times within 7 minutes of the stream. Hello, hey Matthew Papi, thank you very much for tuning in. Kainis yung 3 reruns. Oh, yeah, I didn't see the actual thingy, but I heard that Shene was going to be with Xiao, and Ganyu was gonna be with Zhongli. So I think that's good. That way I can focus my efforts on Xiao. Converge has a problem according to my friends. Yeah, it's true. You know what their problem is?
Illusion shattered.
They suck at giving out service, dude. They're all very good with their promotions and shit,
Time for takeoff.
but when it comes to the actual service,
Flood of frost.
they
I condemn you.
suck, dude. Holy shit.
Just.
Have you heard about the FNF Amor Alta Drama? What the hell is that, dude? What's FNF Amor Alta Drama? Nag-iipon ako for Ganyu. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna actually go for Xiao instead of Ganyu and Zhongli because I already have Zhongli. But I'm not sure what they meant about simultaneous banners, though. Does it mean that we'll have 4 characters side by side? 4 5-star characters? FNF is Friday Night Funk. Dude, I really don't know what that means. I'm sorry, Matthew. Papi, I'm out of touch. Here it is. Amor Alta Drama? What does that mean? I'm so out of the loop with you kids and you young languages and stuff.
There is no wheel of life. Wouldn't gliding be fast? Think you can get away? Freeze to the core. Rack and ruin.
Boom. See, I can finish domains now in a blink of an eye. 26 seconds, dude. I actually went up to 21 seconds over the weekend when this wasn't lagging, though.
More speed.
But wait, I need someone to explain how the reruns will work with Zhongli, Xiao, and Ganyu, though. Please explain, Papi Eman. And we finished our resin quests 9 minutes in, dude. I don't want to speedrun this anymore. Attack! Ugh. Amor Alta had a secret Twitter account and he posted NSFW as a friend. By the way, one of them is a minor. Ah, that explains it. I really have no Twitter, Papi Matthew. I'm sorry. Or Asian. I don't have Twitter. Is that too uncle of me? If I say I don't have Twitter, I'm sorry. First half Shen in shows. But how many weeks are they apart though? 3 weeks? Same. Papi Eman was saying I was planning to get Xiao, but I have watched a showcase video with F2P weapons. Ito is more viable compared to Xiao. That is true actually. Because as you well know, my Noel is a complete Ito build right now. This is a complete Ito build, Papi. It's all busted up with how many def? Well, let's see. I got 378. I think that's good. But I got 1480 though. The showcase actually has 1700 def. And Noel isn't maxed out though.
Knights and aristocrats share the same cultural heritage. But the knights had enough sense
But Amor is so popular when this happened and he had 223k subs on YouTube when he loses. Yeah. I think we need to up our YouTube game, by the way. I don't think our YouTube has a very good following. We just have 21 followers. Please follow me, guys, on YouTube. The link is in the pinned comments, yo. But if you don't want it, it's fine. Ganyu, yay. Uy, Papi Jomar, thank you very much for tuning in. If you like the stream, I can't tell because my notifications are set. But thank you very much for tuning in either way. And belated happy holidays pala, guys. How goes your holidays, huh? For me, I haven't shot my food yet. So I'm still stuck with pizza and... shout out to Hyber for providing with holiday food, by the way. She bought me Amber's spaghetti, barbecue, and what do you call that? Amber's spaghetti barbecue and lumpia Shanghai. Oh my gosh, Shanghai, dude. Shanghai! Who you gonna put then? Says Papi Eman. Aki was saying, it's very disheartening that Xiao then Ganyu. Money where? Oh no, money is here. Just hope Johnny comes home early. I always want Ganyu. Wow, you guys have so much money. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I ranked up. I'm now Adventurer 58. AR 58, bruh. I'm not sure what bonuses that entails, but I want to share this experience with you guys. So here it goes. Pengi Shanghai. Yeah, dude. Hyder ordered me 20 pieces Shanghai. I finished like 10, and someone in our house just ate the rest. And the NSFW guys are having the devils, man. Okay, they're having turkey. Alright, wait. I'm AR-58, bitch! Alright, let's claim this shit. Yeah! Alright, I'm good. What's the next reward? One intertwine? Oh shit, no, it's just acquaintance. Fuck, that sucks. Alright, but anyway, we have a wish. Hey, Papi Luke, thank you very much for tuning in, bruh. We have a wish, so we're gonna wish here. Okay, it's blue. Hi. I wish there was a blue, like a Joker kind of blue item. I mean, Joker blue item. You get what I'm saying? If you wish and then it shows it's a blue, but it's actually a gold pull. That would be so fucking cool, though. Mihoyo, please. Please, Mihoyo. Hey, Liban. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this before I do commissions. Blah blah blah, let me guess. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. I'm here to do some business. Okay, that's it. I just get 40. Okay, what's up with this? Goodbye. And if you have the requirements you need on my room, feel free to jump in. It's free. I'll remove my restrictions later. But for now, I need to go to my Serenity pot because we're gonna do weeklies, yo. Let's see how fast we can do Dvalin. Then we get up to 2.4. I'm excited. Yeah, they actually pushed up this the Zhongli because of the Chinese New Year being on the 1st of Feb, right? Isn't that correct? Wait, Chinese New Year is 1st of Feb. Yeah, that's true.
This realm.
Shut up, Tubby. Yeah, I haven't collected this in a while. Okay. Yeah, since I'm all filled up for my what do you call that? For my battle pass. I'm not gonna
If you
create
ever-
any furnitures or whatever the weeklies are. But I will. Pinagsabay-sabay yung magagandang chars. Wait! I wish they have a Daylook banner though. Daylook banner win! Yeah, I'm not gonna do these except the request and bounties tonight. So before we go any further, Papi Luke is saying that all the good characters are combined close with the runs. And ang dami kong inisip pati pagpili ng char, pull dumagdag pa. Papi, are you pulling Shao or Ganyu? Yes, I'm gonna pull Shao. And wait, my notifications are here, so you might hear a continuous stream of notifications. One sec. Shao. Yeah, I'm gonna pull Shao, Papi, because it's either I pull Ito now. Wait, ba't ako Fuck! Bakit ako Resin? Damn it, I forgot, dude. I'm gonna do this tomorrow then. Fuck, I forgot. I'm gonna skip them all for possible Kazo or rerun. No, you know what? Fuck this. We're gonna do the Resin quest tonight because I actually put it on my stream title. And we're gonna use Fragile Resin tonight. How many is this? 369 plus 60 plus 60. So how much is that? 150, 210. Alright. I'm gonna skip them all for possible Kazuha rerun. Kasi if I pull Ganyu, you know. Papi Eman will just keep telling me he told me so, eh. That Ganyu is great. I know she's great, dude. It's just not my style, bro. It's either a spear or a jumpy boy.
Brace yourself.
Shine down!
Life goes on.
I forgot I was supposed to do this today, tangina. Ganyu or Zhongli. Audrey, listen to your heart. If you have too much Geos, go for Ganyu. If you have too much Cryo, pull for Ganyu. If you have too much Geos, pull for Ganyu. If you have too much Cryo, pull for Zhongli.
Shudder!
Baka maabot,
Here we
bitch.
go.
There is no escape!
Go.
Beg for mercy! Vengeance will be mine! I condemn you!
And boom. Hey, that was quick, dude. How long was that? No timer. Aw, there's a timer, bro. That sucks. Alright. We got 2 size, yo. Okay. If we get a billet, then that'd be good. I'd be so good. Audrey, I would suggest you go for Zhongli na lang. Because Zhongli's Mr. Worldwide. He can shield, he can give you balls. I need Ganyu, but I also need Zhongli. Yeah, it's true. I just need Zhongli with the 2 pillars thing, so I can actually do my my Spiral Abyss in peace. Both kaching. Yeah, it's true.
Quick! Under the umbrella,
It's a
or you'll
quick
get
cash
soaked.
grab.
You can't risk catching a cold, because it might turn into something more serious. And if that happens, well, I can't go avenging my clan by picking on the sick now, can I?
Grabe, I forgot that I was not supposed to do the domains tonight.
Yahoo!
I'm supposed to do the boss fights, but kaasar. I'm gonna spend resin right now. Well, oh, by the way, yeah, we're gonna give out some prizes on the 2nd of
It stopped
January
raining
because
already?
we were
A
supposed to
shame.
do that yesterday, but the stream went
Brace
out.
yourself.
So tune in na lang kayo. Hyper's gonna make pamudbud the pair because it's her birthday on the 4th of January or January if you're counting.
Shine down!
Well, I already have Ganyu and Zhong. You don't intend pull for Shao, Shame, Shinivai, but Kazuha is like, yeah, dude. Wait for Kazuha. Skip, skip, skip. I'll pull for Zhongli first, praying for early pity para makaputin ka again. Yeah, it's true. Go for Zhongli nga.
Crush! There is no escape! Shudder!
Owie. Owie again.
Eye for an eye!
Life goes on.
Here we go! Good
Why am I
grief.
using cryo for this one, bro? I can't even hit this, dude. Bad
Beg for
doggy.
mercy. Shine down!
Brace yourself. Go.
God damn it, bad doggy, dude.
I condemn you!
Well, alright, he's running. If I lose 50-50 CG or deal. Yeah, dude. Either deal or Chi-Chi nga rin gusto ko eh. Jong yan talaga, Boblocks. Ako mag-nudge eh. Yeah, dude. Wait. Since you mentioned you're gonna get Zhongli, let me show you the power of Zhongli. Even if I'm just a lowly F2P. I have no right to show off my
Illusion
Zhongli.
shattered!
Life goes on.
Well, I'll do Zhongli power just for you.
Blood of frost! Rack and ruin!
Sonic Wave! Bitch! 162k, bro. Alright, so how many more do I need? 60 times 2. Oh, yeah, I got a Dream Solid video. 120 plus 30. I need 150. I can use 2 of these. I can use 3 actually. So I get 180 for Resin. Then I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna use my Zhongli team. Zhongli or Ganyu or Shane or Xiao. Oh shit, wait, it's not the Zhongli shit. Alright, we are 23 minutes in and I've already done so much, dude.
Visibility. Excellent.
Well, wait.
If we
We're
head
gonna
to
use
higher
our
ground,
ice team in lieu of our fire team because it's Electro and Pyro tonight. So we're gonna use where's Zhongli?
A walk would be nice.
And we're gonna use
may knowledge guide you.
Chinchu.
Enemy activity in the area.
Let me show you the power of Guwa. Kazuha and Yai. Yeah, Yaimiko's gonna be out soon though, so yeah. Save your Primos for Kazuha or Yaimiko. I really don't care. Just spend it wisely and pray the pity gods you get it soon.
It is time, Morax.
We settle this now!
Hey shit.
Go.
Crush!
Okay, no damage, what the fuck. Even if I dive into damage,
More speed.
Zhongli's shield is, you know, I'm still at full HP, yo. And it lasts a long time. You can actually do it again. Just out na ko na siya talaga. Naibon ako for the gems. Malapat na galing ko na mag-ina.
Rain outlines
You know
your
why?
fate.
It's the Philippine economy, Abby.
Beg for mercy. Crush. Witness the power of the one.
Guys.
Beg for mercy. Eye for an eye.
There is no atonement for 1,000 years of pain!
And wait ang lakas ng Shingchu damage ko.
Gather! Today, you witness your
I don't forget
reckoning!
Dami yun ng Primo, singin naman. Give me some, bro.
No, my soul.
Oy!
Beg for mercy. Vengeance will be mine.
Yeah, especially if you're using Claymore, Shong is so much easier because you know, you get uninterrupted when you're fighting.
Well met.
The enraged earth!
Guess I
Ah,
got
shit, I died.
my comeuppance.
It's not because of no Zhongli though. I just forgot to resurrect this and equip my NRE.
Stand upon your
Wait,
truth,
wait, wait! Tangina
though
mo!
you know it not!
Fucking Asia, bro! Yeah, if you get the doggies as the opponent,
Experience an eon of suffering!
Wheel of life.
get Chi-Chi because Chi-Chi will not be beaten by the doggies. See? Chi-Chi heals everyone. It's like, who's that Mobile Legends healing for everyone shit? Raphael something? Puta. Haven't played Mobile Legends in a long time.
Solidify!
See, if you're using like a purely auto-attack based character, like Eula or the Doom, Zhongli makes your life so much easier.
Gather!
Okay? Because you can attack uninterrupted.
Back to the
Rain
earth!
outlines your fate.
Wheel of life.
Shudder.
Papi Lucas saying Rafaela. Yun, Rafaela gag. Healing for everyone. Chi-Chi does that though.
Gather!
And Zhongli's like shielding for everyone.
No, my soul. Let me read you a verse. Beg for mercy. Shudder.
The enraged earth will
And
not
FYI, I'm not dying because of damage. I'm dying because of the fire thing.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Shudder.
Alright. Yes, there is. Free thankful that you get little balloon sa events. Wait, that's the daily pull thingy though. I think that's on Chinese New Year again. Right? Wait, no billet. Fuck. That sucks. Leave. Alright. But given the chance, I would think I would get Kazuha pag pinagsabay nila na siya. He's on my primary list because he has the sucky powers like Venti does, right? He has the sucky powers yun eh. So I would surmise that I'd get Xiao in lieu of... I'd get Kazuha in lieu of Xiao. Inuuto mo lang ako. Yeah, Papi Luke, I understand that there's another like event like that. For this, let's use my primary team with Chi-Chi because I kind of miss
What's
this.
happening?
Yeah, yung 7-day login thing. I think they're gonna bring that back around New Year's or something.
This opportunity is quite hard to come by. Well then, amuse me. Surrender is a valid option. I promise I'll be gentle.
Yeah, I kind of miss this one. The bashing Felix build.
Rise.
Not bad, not bad.
Ay.
Not bad.
Slam a jam.
Got a trigger.
My official is so
Like real
strong. Ariana was asking, hey, how are you? I am great. Happy holidays. And advance Happy New Year to you, Ariana. Thank you very much for tuning in. And wait, Danielle, thank you very much for liking the stream. Where the fuck are my notifications, bro? Ah, damn it. Go, Power Rangers! Let's get child with the Power Rangers mode.
Let's light it up.
Go.
Ariana, thank you very much for following me for 202 days. I hope I haven't annoyed you that long, but thank you very much for... I think it's called a sub in Facebook if that happens. Is that a sub? No. I don't think a like is the same. Power... Yeah, dude, it's a Power Ranger thing. I'm not sure if your generation
Let's light it up.
took in the Power Ranger. Oh shit, I died.
We shall descend once again.
I almost died.
Why do they never miss?
Okay, yeah. Apparently, Child is the Purple Ranger. New viewer here. Accepting welcome sponsors. Wow. Stop scamming people, Mabi. Iskamas ka na naman.
Reveal.
Die here.
Style points.
You're cut above.
Yeah, my fish is burning, yo. Boom. Burn. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Okay. No billets. What the hell, man? What the hell? Come on. Yeah, so we were supposed to be doing the boss fights earlier today, but I kinda was focusing on my time trial challenge on the what do you call this domain? The Valley of Remembrance, because of the artifacts for Xiao. But yeah. I am a dum-dum sometimes. Wait, Papi Luke, thank you very much for following 169 days. Nice. 169. 169, bruh. That's your number. For this one, we're gonna do...
Stay close and you will live.
Stay close and you will die.
The threads of your fate lie in my hands.
Let's start. Wait, what's my follow age? Can I type that as well? How long have I been following myself? Okay, it's in Vietnamese for some reason. Hien Kong Theo Doi Nem 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 Gaming. What? Let me translate that. Translate? Wait, can I follow myself? Not currently follow. Oh, haven't followed myself, dude. I need to follow myself. Audrey was following me for 262 days. Oh, great job, Audrey. Thank you very much for the follow, yo. Yeah, ako lang pala new follower. Yeah, because you know.
You're
you have fake accounts,
trembling.
bro.
Is it the cold or just cowardice? Yeah, no escape. Beg for mercy. Shut up. Detestable.
Detestable.
I condemn you.
Wings of dark.
Crush.
The Tsaritsa's benevolence has no place for
Come on, dude.
transgressors.
Please yourself. There we go.
Life goes on.
Oi, come on, dude. Oi. Yeah, Oz can actually peck this while we're picking out crimson things.
Beg for mercy.
But we're not gonna pick the fourth one, yo. This is the last boss, right? Yeah, last boss. Then we're gonna do commissions and probably that luminous event thing? Maybe? Red Ranger, go! By the way, who made it a rule that anime girls should have big boobies, though? Really? Why? Why is there a rule like that?
Shudder. Blood of frost. Eye for an eye.
Wait, come on, burst before she travels, bro.
You too
There
will
we
experience
go.
this suffering.
Oy, Papi Mardiv. Long time, thank you very much for tuning in. Ano ba yung result in your review of playable character? She might be though.
Wheel of life.
Because I heard Skyramush is eh.
By royalty, beg for mercy.
Not every wound will heal.
Crush. I condemn you.
Fuck.
Midnight illusion shattered.
Okay.
Faster.
We run, bro.
Okay, faster.
Papi Mardiv, we're having a bragging rights competition. Can you please type in exclamation point follow H? So we know how much time you followed and wasted here.
More speed. More speed. Beg for mercy.
Embrace your searing reckoning.
Iba-ibang language na malabas. Yeah, it's actually true. I'm not sure why. Fucking Streamlabs, bro.
Who dares call me a witch?
Crush. Beg for mercy.
Wait, where are my fucking notifications?
I'll be back.
Bro? Puta, I died.
With a vengeance.
Wheel of life.
Shine down. Now you shall perish.
Die,
Never
bitch!
asked for redemption. Never.
Alright. Wait, Papi Mardiv, where are my fucking notifications, bro? Tang-inang weird. But thank you very much for sending stars, Papi. I know you think that 10 stars is just puny, but it's a lot for me. Wait, where are my notifications, bro? Wait lang, ah. Something is wrong. Wait lang.
Knights and aristocrats share the same cultural heritage. But the knights had enough sense to do away with all the superfluous detail.
Wait, no one's donated to me yet, though, so you haven't heard that sound yet. But where is the Facebook stars?
Special delivery from Mars.
Facebook share?
What's up,
Where are my notifications, dude? Tangina kanina pa, ang weird, ah. Papi Mardy was saying, narita ko ng follow sa page mo na like, oy, oo nga pala, I forgot. You followed like 2 weeks before. I mean, you watched 2 weeks before, then, you know. Wait lang, ah. Last boss, we're good to go. Ah, shit, no billets. Ugh, it sucks. Alright, we're gonna do commissions, then we're gonna do this thingy. There's a quest here I think I forgot to do. What is this? What is the shenanigan? Eye researcher, whatever the fuck this is. For now, we're gonna do commissions, yo. Let's go. Where are my notifications, dude? Repeat alert. Fucking Streamlabs, bro. I haven't gotten a single like on this video. Appear. Wait 1 sec. That sucks. That sucks balls, bruh. But anyway, I appreciate you guys all the same. Give me Primos, bro. Spam like. Pilok, sige nga, go. Try mo nga, hanggang sa lumabas. Tangina, how weird. Like mo lang. Ayun, lumabas eh. Kanina pa kayo nagda-like and share and comment and shit. Ano kayo nangyayari? Maybe I should stop using Streamlabs or some shit. You know what I like about it? What I like about Streamlabs is, you know, it's easy to use.
There is no escape.
But I'm limited by their capabilities. And it's not automatically shared to big groups. Like, if you use OBS. Hi, Belle! Thank you very much for tuning in!
Let's get down
I'm
to
sorry you
business.
didn't get the stream yesterday. My internet is still shit today, oh. I can't see notifications, I cannot see chat. I know you liked the stream a few seconds ago, but it's not appearing, oh, puta. Let's see if I do this. Wait lang, ah. Hi, Bear, if you say Gugger, it doesn't make sense. What does that mean? Gugger. Gugger. Yeah, Hi Bear's gonna do her birthday bonanza on the 2nd, though. Kapakain si Mayor Bear.
By royal decree.
Si Mayora
Illusion
also.
shattered. Go. Shudder. More speed. Beg for mercy.
See? Hi Bear is remembered by Papi Mardi.
Crush. There is no escape.
Midnight vent.
Beg for mercy.
You guys, if you want Hyper to do Genshin
Crush.
Genshin giveaways
Illusion shattered.
on the
Inazuma
weekend,
shines eternal.
encourage her to host this.
Shudder.
Yeah, but
More speed. Shine down. Rack and ruin.
wala pa siyang high
More
kabayo.
speed.
Pasyangay na siya eh.
Illusion shattered.
As you wish, me.
Crush.
Hi Belle, advance happy birthday! Your 18th birthday is upcoming now. Debut na ni Hi Belle.
There is no escape.
Odds revealed by
Beg for mercy. More speed.
Yeah, you know what? I actually intend to have Hi Bear host the stream
Crush.
and just react to what I'm doing on the stream. Parang, okay, gaganon lang siya.
More speed. Beg for mercy.
But I'll still be doing the content. She'll just be doing the reaction shit.
Crush.
That took a while, bro. Cookie-san. Wala, hindi ka... Nag-bake pa mama mo ng cookies today? Did you get some? Get some cookies? Chocolate chip! I want chocolate chip! Dark chocolate chip, please! Wait lang. Wait lang ah. My phone is fully charged. I don't want 100% it. Because it might explode again. You know what? My phones actually don't, like, wreck themselves. It just explodes with the batteries. The batteries just expand. Wait, what commission is this? This is new. Oh, this is new. No cupcakes. Yeah! Cupcakes! Cupcakes are just cakes for little people. Wait, I'm not going to the shop yet. Target Venti!
Ready for a rehearsal?
Ready for a rehearsal? Okay, we got that. Okay, where are the other ones? Quiet stream here, walang akong content. No! I'm gonna do the gameplay, you're gonna do the ay! Ganun ka lang, ay! Cupcakes di naman nakalagay sa baso. Yeah, it's true. It's not in cups per se. Ah, damn it. I actually almost fell. Yeah, ganun ka lang, Hybe. Ay! Yung parang si ano yung tago dun? Yung sa... you know what? That's the thing I miss about cinema though. Yung ano yun? The one where Derek Ramsey says, "Pulis ako." Pulis ako. And then someone steps over tomatoes. Pulis ako. Then, ay! Muffin na lang, hindi cupcakes. Alright. But you know what? I heard that, the Manila Film Festival, Metro Manila Film Festival was a big flop. I wonder what happened though. Did everyone boycott because of Spider-Man? You know what? I don't think that's a good idea, but it taught them a lesson though. Don't fuck with Spider-Man, yo. Spider-Man ain't not the fuck with. And yet, I heard somewhere on the Twitter post that was posted on
More speed.
Pinoy subreddit that The Exorcist by the Gonzaga sisters. Wait, where is the target, bro? The Exorcist only grossed like 7,500 on its first opening day. Well, first na nga opening pa eh. But you get the gist. Everyone wanted to watch Spider-Man No Way Home. And the people were clamoring. They clamor for no trash cinema. It's not really trash cinema per se, but you get the gist. It's very subpar compared to what we were getting from Hollywood. Wait, there's no turbo pababa. Yun, turbo pababa. Let's go. Alright. Oh shit. We got 9! Alright, we got 9 primos for this. No pulls. No capes. And we get 20 more from this. Alright, I think we're good. Tomorrow we're gonna just, just do some... I don't know, we're gonna build some odd builds, I think. Maybe we'll stream Murph or... No?
Add Astra
Turbo pababa.
Thank you for
wait. I was supposed to do Kamisato Estate Commissions. Na-redeem mo na ba yung code? Yeah, yesterday. The 300 Primo codes, I redeemed it yesterday. Because as bad as my internet is, it's only acting up when I'm streaming. For some reason, tangina. Hassle kaya. Do a scary stream para may funny reaction ako. Ay sige, pwede. Oh, by the way, if you guys have Epic Games installed, they're doing their 10 days free games, and today the free game is Control. I'm not sure if you're aware of that, but that's a very good game. It's worth 1,500 pesos. Go to Epic Games, create an account, just put it on your account if you don't want to buy it. I mean, if you don't want to download it. And then, yeah, it's good. It's good, my dude. Control is the game free until 12 AM today. So you have 2 hours to get it. It's free nga pala. So it's worth, how much is this worth? As the infomercials on TV say it, it's 1,200 peso value. Yours absolutely free if you buy now. Guess kaulam nyo pinainit na spaghetti. No, I finished the spaghetti the day I actually got it from Haibel. So, yeah, you don't see me wasting spaghetti, bro. You can see me wasting Shanghai. You can't see me wasting spaghetti. Mom spaghetti. Mama Bell spaghetti. And if I'm trying to join your stream genre, Control is, I think it's an RPG. Animal damage. Alright. But yeah, I have like past 60 games from Epic since last year. Ever since I heard of their free games.
There are still documents that need to be seen by the commissioner.
They have free games every December 2015. No, wait. That's 19 to 31, right? 10 free games from Epic Games. I'm not endorsing them. Oh yeah, Mick Flordeliza, thank you very much for liking the stream. If you did, hello. Thank you very much for tuning in. Happy Mar Dave, thank you very much for tuning in. Have a great night, Papi. Let's go where the fun is. Commission time. I mean, bounty time. Yeah, so far, wait. I'm not sure if I have scary games on Epic though, but let me check. Purchase history. I haven't browsed this enough to see what I can do. Ay, wait, Vampire. Wait. It is a good game. It was just released 2 years ago. It's a vampire game, but it's not scary. It's like, what do you call that? Prototype. But you're a vampire. Doctor. As I've seen in the review. We're Dead by Daylight. This is good. Yeah, I actually have a few games from Epic since last year, but let's download some of these. Sa New Year gusto Avatar
Aristocratic
Christmas
etiquette
tree.
is all just for show. Just
It's
smile
up
and
to
nod
my
along.
artistic
I was forced to learn all of the rules by heart.
directress
But
Hyber.
even I don't take them that seriously.
So I'm not sure what costume I'll get on New Year, but I was hoping it'll be like a New Year's baby. You know, diaper lang. Tangin. Diaper lang.
Illusion shatter!
Wheel of life.
Shudder! Beg for mercy.
Yeah, we can play some other games.
Crush!
Not just Genshin. Because
Freeze to the core!
as far as I can tell,
Eye
I'm
for
getting
an eye.
lazy playing Genshin for some reason. Let's go. I'm getting lazy playing Genshin. Because I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because of the repetition. Or I don't have any quality content or some shit. But maybe, just maybe, we'll play another game. Diaper. You know what? New Year's babies are, they have added perks.
More speed.
Ang dami mo quest. Yeah, I've been racking that up, Abby. For a time when we'll be made sipag. If the time makes sipag is near,
Scout.
we'll clear them off one at a time. Oh, nga New Year costume. Hi Bear, what's my New Year costume?
Shudder! Beg for mercy.
Let's play. Go.
Oi, that's it?
There is no escape. Crush!
Alright, into the water with ya.
Yahoo! What?
Oh,
Beg for mercy.
then drown? Into the water with ya. Make him be a Christmas tree. No, it's not New Year's Eve, dude. Get the theme. Get a theme, papi. Look. Why Christmas tree? No one will see my Xmas outfit, nagger. Wait, no. We're gonna... You already showed it na. There was a stream last 24th. You already showed it na. And we're gonna do the stream on the 2nd, though. So yeah, the new outfit will come out on the 3rd. That's not in time for New Year, by the way. It's after New Year's. Because I want this to be the festive red. Festive red pa rin tayo.
Rise.
Gusto ko manapak ng Christmas tree but not use it. Why? What happened, bro? You have Christmas tree
More
trauma?
speed.
You have Christmas tree ma? I'm gonna wear the same outfit. Wow! Grabe.
Brace yourself.
Change outfit ang ating high bell.
Shudder! Flood of frost! I condemn you!
Come here, boy. Oh, there's
Beg for mercy.
a minion here. There's a minion there. Bakit you're not gonna wear the same outfit? Parang tanga. Oh no! There's a minion everywhere! Okay, let's go here first. MS stream on the 24th. You can watch it on Facebook and YouTube nga pala. We immortalize the streams on YouTube. So, no worries. You can catch it anytime there.
More speed.
Mga pa-cute silang ni Hyber. And we just stream for like 30 minutes though. Because it was a bad idea to stream. To stream so close to midnight. Nang ina. Hindi na Christmas. But it's a holiday. Ulit. Hyber. Costume director ka lang, hindi ka program director, okay? Chill, bro. You're gonna make me say chill, bro na naman eh. It's still the holidays, yo. So chill. Wait, where the hell am I? Okay, how did I get here though? Where is the exit for this? I don't know. I miss the stream ng Meron si Hi Bear. 24th, dude. Check it out. It's on YouTube and on Facebook. Please, if you go to YouTube, it has higher quality. Please do like the stream. Because someone fucking disliked my stream of some Russian guy. Why did they do that, dude? They just spam your comment section with shit. And then they dislike your stream. I mean, your content. I mean, fuck that Russian guy, dude. The fuck did I do to him? Oi! Wow, there's an achievement for that.
Let's play!
Shine down!
Oh, that's nice. What is Geronim?
Crush!
Wait, live ka ba sa YouTube? No, I'm just uploading fast streams on YouTube, Papi.
This isn't good.
Okay, let's
More speed.
lure this Fatui to this water pool right here. See? He's vaporizing. Wait. Vaporize. Lapit ka. There we go. Fuck you, dude. Fuck your shield.
There is no escape!
Life goes on.
Shudder!
What did he say? The Russian guy? No, I was checking my YouTube analytics because I upload my streams there, diba? For immortality, because Facebook kinda removes my streams after 3 months. So basically, what I did was I checked the analytics. Someone disliked one of my videos. That's the only dislike on my channel, nga pala. So weird. What the fuck did I do to the Russian guy, dude? Let's run him over. He hurt him. No, it's fine, Bobby. Just flood it with likes na lang. So we can override his hate with love. Heart, bros.
Yahoo!
Boom!
Rise.
Shut up! Beg for mercy.
Yeah, there's a one dislike. Hi, Bill. There's only one dislike in my entire channel. That's the
More speed.
that's the one where Steve Ito ata or something. I can't remember.
Crush!
I didn't feel
Fuck. What the hell am I not immune?
What a
Fuck.
sorry sight.
What was it? Wait, let me check
Beg for
later.
mercy.
Nasad lang ako. Someone disliked my video for no reason at all.
Illusion
I
shattered.
didn't even do anything. I was just streaming, bro.
Beg for mercy. There is no escape. Shudder.
Owie, dude.
Let's play!
Beg for mercy. Absurd.
I'm surge. Alright, where is the last? Wait. Oh, I forgot this question. Where's the last bounty, yo? Wait lang, let me check my YouTube nga. So, nagsusumbong ngayon. Wait. But there was only one dislike here. Your videos. They dislike my video dated ano.
I shall protect the lady of the clan.
Dated. What date is this there? th of December. It's not the Ito one pala. Why did you guys dislike that shit? Created...
All the world holds dear is but a backdrop
Don't
of
mind it. No, I
constant
don't really
motion.
mind it.
I stand before
But it might set the
alone
precedent.
and
You
unchanging.
know. They can bully everyone. Don't bully, guys. Don't bully with the dislikes. Wala na akong audience sa YouTube. Wala pa akong... Never mind. Alright, last one. Ooh, invulnerable to cryo damage, yo. I'm not gonna go cryo damage, though. Oi! 1 hour on the stream. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is the last one, then we'll get the other quest and we'll be good to go tonight. Oh, speaking of which, wait. I forgot to use the Pokeball. Wait. Let's use the Transmogrifier first.
Guys.
Shudder!
Bagal naman ito, bro. 5% every hit? I get rubbish! Anyway, last quest, that we're good to go. Oh, after the one quest.
Wouldn't gliding be faster? Time for
Whirlwind
takeoff.
of death!
Illusion shattered!
Life goes on.
Freeze to the core! Rack and ruin!
I'm ready.
Bitch!
More speed.
That was quick. Alright, last thing to do tonight, then we're good. Alright. Wait, happy Marvin Edwin. Thank you very much for liking the stream. I'm not getting my notifications, by the way, so apologies for the inconvenience. I know you guys like the stream. It's just that it's not showing up for some reason. Have you done the energy amplifier, Papi? Not yet. I'm gonna do it right now. Or maybe tomorrow. I'm just gonna open it tonight. I'm just gonna open it tonight. Where is it though? Oh. Okay, dumb mode initiate. You're done? Okay. Is that the same as last time? I think we already did this quest. They're just recycling events right now. Oh wait. I need to catch some Pokemons, yo. Can I capture crabs? Oi, come on, chest. What are you doing here, bro?
What do we have here?
Oh, I already got that, yo. That sucks. Liking your vids, Papi. Look, ang daling kausap. Thank you very much.
More speed.
Also, now YouTube doesn't let you see how many distance. You can actually enable that though. It's optional na. This is just a rerun of a past event though. You know what? It's been like 20 minutes. There are dogs barking outside. What the fuck is happening, dude? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna open this. And then we're gonna do this in... Yeah, we're gonna do this tomorrow, so we have something to do. Nobody. We're not gonna do that tonight. Yeah, we're gonna unlock this after then. Energy Amplifier Fruition. Kaya PLT yung comment section lang yung tuloy-tuloy. Yeah, it sucks. I'm sorry. But anyway, I think that's it, guys. We opened this energy thingy and we'll be doing that tomorrow. So when is the reset for this? 4 days, 5 hours. So that's Friday, Tuesday, Thursday 1, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday is Spiral Abyss Day. So, Papi Eman, try out your Ito. If this is still open, no? The Geoconstruct thingy. Yeah, that's it, Pansit. Thank you very much for tuning in. We're done. Spiral Abyss. Yeah, it's on Saturday, Papi. So the reset is gonna be... How much will I get? 150, 150, 150, 450, plus 50. So 500. I can only get 500 max every time. That sucks. You know, it's time to go. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. And... yeah, that's it. Wala ako ko lang pala. No, build it now, Papi. You didn't prepare? What's up with my pity? Let's check. I have 3 hands. The left, the right, and the middle. 48. 49.50. The last 5-star I have was Eula. I got 50, now I'm 0 guarantee. Alright. Let's pray on the graces of High Bear to give me allowance again to get Shao. Sorry. No, just kidding. Alright, but tonight, thank you very much for tuning in. Have a great night. Stay safe and... Bukaka, Raiden Shogun! Catch you all tomorrow. See ya!